I have to cut off the edge of this washer. Because it's the frame. I have to cut off the edge. So, I'll be right back. I get the grinder.
So, today we brought our camper home to our complex. We store it because HOA. So here we are. We've been doing a couple projects. We're gonna be posting a video soon with a full tour. We just need to edit it. But today we are installing the Condor motorcycle wheel chock. To give you an idea, this is what it would look like covered up when we're living in it. So we lift all that up. We had to drill through the floor with a 5/16 drill.
Yeah, right here. Big drill bits.
This is the drill bit we used. It's a little bit extra, but did the job. And basically, the chock itself is removable, which we'll show you guys in a second, but we drilled so this will permanently be in the floor. It's kind of it's not too bad. Hopefully we don't stub our toes on it, but that's why I wanted to get a cute rug and try to cover it up. Just like that. So we don't eat it while walking. There's the wheel chock over there.
This is the bolts that came with
Yes.
it. We had to run, because they're not long enough, to run to Home Depot and get these.
Yeah, these are not long enough. The big bolts that the Condor comes with, so you're gonna have to go to Home Depot.
And then we'll show you underneath the frame.
You probably can't see what he's doing, but he's adding the washer and the bolt.
There, just gotta tighten them up.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
Yeah, so give me a washer.
Is one going to be enough?
I think so. Try one first.
And then tighten them after?
That's what these washers are for, they're little spacers.
Oh.
So that way it makes it closer to the ground.
And then what's that thing for? To tighten it so it doesn't move?
Yeah, that's to lock it in. So.
Oh. So it's got like a key top on it? I don't want to make them too tight in case you need to add the other one.
There she is.
And then there's the screws in there. Maybe. There we go.
Mm-hmm. So it just locks it into place?
Yep.
Awesome.
Look at that. That's it.
Yeah, I gotta cut the edge of the washer off so it fits between the frame That's what I'm doing.
Oh, God. Should he not be doing that in the garage?
Too late. We're good.